Hey there, welcome back to our Shopify Horizon theme setup and customization full course. In this step by step guideline, we are going to learn how to set up Horizon theme and its all picture and section, and also how to set up every single pages like home page, product page, or others importance pages. Then we'll learn how to customize, and finally we are going to learn how to add special picture or develop a custom section or picture based on our requirement. So this course will be very helpful for anyone who wanted to learn how to use Horizon theme or how to design your professional Shopify store with Horizon theme and set up it, customize it, and finally develop it. So today is the second class. I hope you will enjoy this class like previous, and thank you so much for continue the first class and coming in here, and I am so appreciate your interest. I hope you will click on the like button right now and subscribe to my channel to get the notification when upload new video in my YouTube channel. So let's get started. So in the first class we know about this theme picture, and we check out the demo, also check out all the pages, and then we create a new development store under Shopify partner account, and our store name Horizon theme customize, because in this store I want to show everything relevant Horizon theme. That's why I write this store name Horizon theme customize. As I am developer, so I keep it match with my skill. Okay, so in this class we are first going to start from the top section. Let me open light shot. We start working with this transparent header, shop contact, and three icons: search icon, account icon, and cart icons. There are home and contract, so we have to change it shop contract. And there are three icon, we have three icons same. So first we are going to start working this section. So go back our admin panel, then click content, menus, main menu, and in here remove home because we want to make it same as demo. Then search shop product, all product, and here we will write shop, add to cart, move it top. Okay, save and reload. Now we can see that shop and contract and three icon. Then we are going to start working with this banner. We are going to make a banner same as this section or same as demo. So to do this, we are going to our customize section under online store. Click on the customize. So here is the hero section, and I'm going to click on the hero section, and then we have to update the banner. So we have to first download this banner image. I have already downloaded it in my computer. I want to show you how you can download it. Just right click on your mouse, then select inspect, then select element selector, select this one, and here is the image. You see, right click on your mouse, then open in new tab, image src, then easily save image as png, save. Okay, now close this box, click on the select image in our website customize section, and here is the image. Done, looks good. Click save, asset save or save changes, then reload. Looks good, but we want to make it same as our demo, so we have to increase the banner height. So how to increase the banner height? Back to the customize hero section, then scroll down, and then here is the height. Medium looks good, or we can make it large. Yes, then click on the save changes, reload. Yes, looks good right now. Then we have to update the logo. So we're going to download this logo. Again, insert, then select logo. Click on the card, logo box. Open YouTube. So this will add my code. Not image. To again. So how we update the logo? To update the logo, we go to create the logo. Then we can update it. So I'm going to add single card as you can shot. Okay. Save it. Then go to the bring visit. Bring visit. This is and simply remove the original logo. Background. Wow. The background has been removed. Then download. Write a name. Logo. Horizon. Okay. Then go back our customize section, and you see there is an option named logo. Click on it. When you click on it, we can edit logo in theme settings. So go to the theme settings, click on here, then we can easily add our logo. Download logo, select done. You see, then click save. Also we can do another things in here. We can change the logo size. Click on logo, and logo width we can make it 25 pixel. Yes, or 30 pixel. Looks good. Okay, after adding logo it looks good. Then click on the save, then go back our store and reload. Looks very similar. Okay, we have done so far. Then we have to start working adding the product. You see, adding product is a manual task. We have to add product one by one. In this class I just show you how to add one product, then I will skip adding all others product. So let me show you. To add product we have to go to our Shopify admin panel, then exist this one, home, and click on the product. Then we are going to add one product in here. So open this one, then copy this title and download all the image. So I have added an extension in my Google Chrome browser. Using this extension I can easily download all the product. So there are 6 images. I'm going to download 6 images from top to bottom. So select this one, 2, 3, 4, 5, and finally 6. Click on the download and download. We create a new folder with product title, then save, save, save. Okay, we have downloaded all the product image. And now we are going to add our product. Add new product, product title, and product description, then add product image, drag and drop all the image. This is pictured image, so we have to add this pictured image, and here is the price. Pictured image, price. Okay, we have added title, description, product image. Now we have to add variant color. Also we have added the price, and we are going to add variant color. So to add variant color, here is the variant option like size or color. So click on it, then select color, color name, then select the color. You have to select the color. Okay, okay, save. Base color white. Okay, then click on the save. We have added this one, then another color named black, added black, then click on the save. So we have added variant color. Now we have to add product or image for variant. For example, promise, select this one, and for black we are going to download black image. Select this one and download black, and add black image. Done. And available, we just keep it 100. Okay, click on the save. Product save. Now reload our store. You see, we have added the product, and here is the slider, and going to open this product to check it that the variant color is working. Black, yes, it's working, but we have to set up it same as this one. and there are size, so add another variant, add another option, size will be okay. Just for an example, click on the save and reload. Go back in here, open all the size, just check it that the size also working. You see the size is working. I just want to save your time. You can select the size for all variant, also the color. Now go back. So it's worked so far as demo in the home page, but we have to add variant color and add all the images, then we can make it 100% same as demo. So I want to end this class in here. In the next class you will get ready all the product uploaded on my demo store, because I don't have to show you again how to upload product, but I'll show you how to add this variant color picker and add this size in here. So thank you for your time to join this class. If you think this class is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.